Hey, it's Nina with Worship Piano Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to play the song Praise by Elevation Worship. So we're going to start off with the introduction, and the chords are F sharp minor, and you're playing the F sharp, then the A, and the C sharp. So the shape kind of looks like this. Then you're going to have a D chord that looks like this. You have the D, F sharp, and A. Then you're going to go down to the A chord, A, C sharp, E, and then you're going to end it off with E. You have your E, G sharp, B. Sometimes though, I choose to play my G sharp, my B down here. These are the same chords, except you're playing the B down here. So this is called a chord inversion. You can definitely do that just to kind of get a different sound. So those four first chords are F sharp, okay, praise the Lord, A, and then E. As you can hear that rhythm, let everything that has breath praise the Lord, praise the Lord, and you're gonna add in your left hand, let everything that has breath. Obviously, the way that you use your bass will depend on whether you have a bass player. So if you are playing with a band, your playing is going to sound very different. You might just be playing the chords like this. Okay, but if you're the only, person playing, you might add more bass. Notice I'm inverting my D as well. Instead of playing A up here, I'm playing it down here. Can you see how that switch is much easier from D to A? I literally could just close my eyes. And then E. It's all there together. It's much easier to invert certain chords. So again, let everything that has breath praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Those four chords that play all over and over again. Then you're gonna move into the verse, and it's so beautiful. The chords are A, so we already kind of looked at the chords, right? You're gonna play A, and then you're gonna go into D. I suggest inverting the D. You can definitely press A here and then move to the D, or you can play A here and move to the D smoothly. Okay, so I'll praise in the valley, I'll praise on the mountain. Now notice how I went back from A to D, back to A. This is where inverted chords make sense. You can play with your eyes closed, and you know that you just need to move these fingers. Mountain. Then you move on to E. So I like to invert my E as well. I'll praise when I'm sure. Then you have D. Okay, then again A. Praise when outnumbered, praise when surrounded. So you can either keep your rhythm with the right hand or keep your rhythm with the left hand. So or you can keep it with this. Praise in the valley, praise on the mountain. Or you can leave it empty. Praise in the valley, a praise on the mountain. Let me just get the chords right. And then you can leave it empty. You can continue with the rhythm. So it's really up to you. And that's the beautiful thing about music, is that it is art. And you get to fill it with the style that you like. Anyway, and then, when you did that D, praise when surrounded. And then you have an E over G sharp. And what that looks like is an E with your right hand and a G sharp with your left hand. 'Cause praise is the waters. Can you hear how it's a more complex sound? 'Cause praise is the waters, my enemies drowning. So totally optional. You could totally just do an E. 'Cause praise is the waters. Or you can do 'cause praise is the waters, my enemies the pre-chorus. And I will go through this whole thing after I explain it. Then the pre-chorus has an E. As long as I'm breathing. Then you have a D. I've got a reason to. And you go into the chorus, which is my favorite. It's the same 4 chords that we started out with. You have the F sharp minor. Praise. Got your D chord and then A. The Lord, oh my soul. E. And that repeats. Now I'm going to play it through. I want you to see how I play it. All right, so here's kind of my introduction. Up a bit. I'll praise when I'm sure, praise when I'm doubting, I'll praise when outnumbered, praise when surrounded, 'cause praise is the waters my enemies drowning. As long as I'm breathing, I've got a reason to praise the Lord, oh my soul. Praise the Lord, oh my soul. I'll praise when I feel it, praise when I don't. I'll praise 'cause I know you're still in control. My praise is a weapon, it's more than a sound. My praise is the shout that brings Jericho down. As long as I'm breathing, I've got a reason to praise. Keep it inside. Praise the Lord, oh my soul. Oh yeah, stretch out this A chord before the bridge. All right, I hope you're liking my version for now. I know that piano is my only instrument in this song, and it is a little different because if you have a whole band, it's going to sound totally different. All right, then we're going into that bridge. Remember stretching out that A. You can choose to play those 4 chords that you played in the beginning. You can stretch out that A, and we have a new chord. So you have A. I'll praise 'cause you're sovereign. Then we're going to go up a step. We're going to do B minor. Praise 'cause you reign. So, praise 'cause you're sovereign. Praise 'cause you reign. You have the B, D, and F sharp notes. And then you have an A with your right hand and C sharp with your left. Praise 'cause you rose in. And then D. Defeated the grave. And that repeats, okay? I'll praise 'cause you're sovereign. Praise 'cause you reign. Praise 'cause you rose and defeated the grave. I'll praise 'cause you're faithful. Praise 'cause you're true. Praise 'cause there's nobody greater than you. Praise the Lord, oh my soul. Praise the Lord, oh my soul. You can keep on going and you can go wherever want with this song. It's so beautiful. And then obviously you ended off with those last 4 chords. Let everything that has breath praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Everything that has breath praise the Lord. Again, music is an art. Create what you want. It's so beautiful. You can jam with your team to find the best way to play it. All right, if you ever need help in your piano ministry journey, visit pianoministrycourse.com. I'd love to help you out. All right, see you in my next tutorial.